Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today I've got a special treat for you. It's the viewbook for Choate Rosemary Hall, a private boarding school in Connecticut, and it's folded and stitched and layered and so well designed. I can't wait to dig into this design with you, so let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is the stepped, layered cover which wraps around the back. I love the mix of saturated color, imagery, and typography among the layers. It really makes you want to explore and see what's inside. When you open the first layer, the concept is introduced and the narrative begins, and I'll tell you, I wanted to sit down and read the entire thing cover to cover. Moving past the layered covers, there's a 16-page saddle-stitched booklet filled with student profiles and stories. The photography is really warm, consistent, personal, and engaging. And then the surprise in the center is a dramatic 8-page closed gatefold that carries a thought-provoking statement. Everything about this piece provokes thought, however, and although this is a view book, this isn't just a splashy series of images and bragging points. It's a deeply conceptual piece that highlights the school's uniqueness by giving a very personal look at the school, who they are, what matters to them, and the caliber of student who goes there. These were printed 4-color sheet fed on a UV press on 80-pound Rolland Enviro cover and text. They were trimmed, scored, folded, saddle stitched with the short covers jogged to the bottom and then mailed in a custom converted envelope. It's just perfection in its words and its design and print production, just a total mic drop of a piece. A very special thanks to the team who created the viewbook featured in this episode for sharing their solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.